This is Steve Angle with Bill Estes Ford. This is the Ford F-150 Lightning. It is a 2023. It is the iconic silver. Nice big 14-inch touchscreen. There's your shifter right there. Nice big console. Does have heated seats. Nice big second row, which always the F-150 has. Seating for 3 as well. Very comfortable. Does have tow hitch, of course, sensors on the back. Absolutely gorgeous. Love these wheels. There's your running board. Again, this is the 2023 Ford F-150 Lightning. I am Steve Angle at Bill Estes Ford, 317-852-2231.